In the demonstration of log export feature of CIMCO-DNC, the setup is like this. We have a CNC simulator, which is a product called DGHST22, and this is connected by RS232 through this port, and it goes to our DNC system, which is running on my laptop. So this CNC simulator is going to give the commands like cycle start and cycle stop, which in real case it will come from a CNC machine using DPRNT. I am going to explain about CIMCO-DNC feature called as Logexport. The Logexport feature allows the DNC user to note down the cycle time and cycle time of a component. This particular feature can be used on those machines which support DPRNT. Now DPRNT is a command available in Fanuc control. When we have a DPRNT command during the program execution, the text after the DPRNT command is sent on RS232 port, and this RS232 port can be connected to computer as a normal DNC system, and then you get the signal like cycle start and cycle stop. Let me tell you certain settings. Here we have a CIMCO DNC Max server version 8 running. I have set few parameters like events and messages. I have defined a message called as cycle started. The trigger is MAC and the message tag as start. Similarly, one more message, cycle stop, has been defined with different trigger called as MAL, message tag as stop. So these are the two signals which have been defined. Now you have a menu called as Logexport. So I have enabled this Logexport, enable log exporting, and we have entered the file name as CNC simulator. Let me change it to CNC simulator 2 and say OK. Do you wish to restart the server? Because I made the changes, let us restart. Now these are the settings done in in DNC Max server. As shown in the earlier video, this laptop is connected with a CNC simulator called as DGHST22, which gives the DPRNT kind of signals for our testing purpose. So this is ready. Now let me go to DNC Max client. So I have this client. I have set this port CNC simulator. Let me show you the configuration. In the serial port setting, I have set baud rate as 9600, 2 stop bit, 7 data bit, even parity. So these are the basic settings, and one more setting is under the messaging system. I have enabled event and messages. Okay, so let us start the test. Now this COM10 is connected with Android terminal, which is acting as a CNC simulator. In a normal situation, the operator will be calling the program on the screen, and he will start the actual auto cycle. And during this auto cycle program there is a dprint command. So for our testing purpose, this dprint command will come from HST22. So I'm just sending that command. Okay, now this has come here as Mac start. You can verify here that you get signal called as cycle start. Now after some time, when the machine is cutting the component, at the end of the program before M30 there will be another signal sent by dprint. This signal is called as cycle stop. Now in our testing setup I have put the cycle stop signal in handheld terminal. You can also get the time over here. Now let me give the cycle stop signal from the machine or the simulator. Okay, now this is the dprint command which is coming as MAL stop, which we have already defined as cycle stop. So if you confirm here, cycle stop signal has come. So cycle start and cycle stop, both signals have come. Now if you go to if you go to this folder C CIMCO-DNC Mac 6 root, this is a subfolder called as log, and here if you open this you will get this information. So this is the log which has been exported to Excel. So in this case the information what you get from this table is the cycle was started at such and such time, the cycle was stopped at this time, so cycle time for a job is 3 minutes and 5 seconds. What is to get information about what is going on and what is going on at the CNC side, and for each component you can note down the cycle time. This is the basic version of you can say machine monitoring system, where you don't have to invest lot of money for the final machine monitoring system. Just with the help of DNC you can get some basic information. Thank you for